morning, everybody. I believe it's morning. Well, it's morning when I'm making this video. This is my pressure washer pump. This is the head. When there's the valves, there's the unloader, there's the soap or chemical injection, and there's a thermal bypass or a thermal unloader. When that gets hot, that will allow, when the pump gets hot and heats that up, that opens and allows water to flow out. And here my helper decided to pop in. Hello, Tara.
Hello.
Alright. And this is the inside of the pump. These are the pistons. Here, I'll push one out. Let's see if I can reach in there and get it. Yep. That's one of the pistons. And that will fit down in there. Oop. It fits down in there. Like that. There's one there. And one right there. I won't try to put that back in the pump one-handed. This is the Wobble Plate. This right here turns in this bearing. Kind of hard to do one-handed, but you get the idea. See, there we go. And that pushes on the pistons, and this is a bearing. That's a thrust bearing right there. You can see the little indentations that focus. You can see the little indentations of the balls, the rollers where they ride. And we're waiting on parts. We have already replaced the these are the water seals right here, and we have to replace the oil seals that go in here. Let's get it under the light there. We have to replace the oil seals that go in that smaller hole. Not the smallest, but right there where that piston is, right next to it. And then that fills up with oil. And it's a splash oil system. The springs are down in there, if you can see. The springs are down in there. And then when they're oscillated or pumped up and down from that wobble plate, they splash oil and throw it all around in there. And there's a big seal. There's a big seal that goes in right here. Goes around behind this. This goes in this way. That goes in that way. Get off the shine there. And this goes on the crankshaft. Then there's a keyway. And then this right here simply bolts. This sets on top of that like that and bolts down with 3 bolts from underneath. So it didn't quit pumping. It just got low on prime. I mean, it would lose its prime and it would surge, and it would take forever to catch its prime because it was getting air in there. And how it was getting air in there is this is open. If you look at the bottom of this head, the bottom of this pump, these grooves are open so that any pressure that leaks out in between the head and the actual mechanical pumping body just leaks out through those grooves right there. And so it can go from this one out, it can go from this, it can go from this one into that one and out, and this one into that one and out, or out through those grooves. And so any oil that gets built up in here can leak out, or any water that seeps by these seals right here can go around by these plastic bushings and through those relief grooves right there. I'm assuming so that it doesn't blow the pump apart. I'm not a power steering. Look at me. I'm not a pressure washer pump expert by no means. So there's my little 5-minute video of the day. We've already installed the new seals there. We're waiting on the seals to come here. I meant for the pump. There's a big seal that goes around here, and then there's one on the bottom. And we'll let you know how it comes out. Alright. Until next time. Bye-bye.